How to remove threads notification from Instagram. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing to do is to be on your Instagram app. Now the next thing you want to do is to go to the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you're going to be clicking on the like or the notification icon. Now you're going to go to the notification sent from thread on your Instagram, and when you get there you want to hold down that notification. Now two options are going to pop up, but you want to tap on turn off notifications like this, so any notification about thread like that will not be sent to your Instagram account, and this also deletes that type of notification. Now I'm just going to go ahead to repeat the process on a thread notification again. Hold down and click on turn it off, and then guys, this is exactly how to remove thread notifications from Instagram. Now if you found this video useful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I will see you in my next video. Bye.